on Songkran day. I didn't have a chance to go out for splashing water or having fun because I feel tired. Now I'm on my way to have my dinner and I stuck in the traffic for ages. And this is what I see on the road. After we editing the footage all the morning, and now it's lunchtime, and today we go to Central World to have lunch. Anyway, Nampet just finished her latest vlog, which is the Ranong and Myanmar part 2. You can check out her playlist and see her vlog. But for me, I'm still struggling with editing my vlog about Songkran. So besides you go to Ranong and Myanmar, have you go out to splash in the water at all?
No, actually I stay up on the BTS platform to look at people splashing water down there.
Yeah.
But I didn't go down because I don't want to get wet.
Yeah, fair enough. Same as me, I didn't go out too. Actually, Songkran is cool and fun, but there's something that makes me annoyed and frustrated. Like these kids who are trying to racing on the street, the wet street, and they make a freaking loud noise, which is I hate it. They don't care about others and they don't care about their lives. Like this guy who tried to drift his motorcycle with something attached on the side, and look at that! He almost flipped and hit into my car. That's another reason why I don't want to go out. Yeah, so most of the people, they go out to splashing water on Songkran day, but for me, for the first of Songkran day, I'm just go with my girlfriends and her sisters to the cinema just to catch up the movie that we want to watch but haven't the chance to watch yet, which is Beauty and the Beast. During Songkran, I didn't have a chance to go out much because the weather is too hot and it's melting. It's almost reached 40 degrees Celsius. Today I have time, so I'll go out with my girlfriend and visit one of my friend's restaurant. And he also have a library inside, so we come here to chill out and to meet my old friend. So this is his restaurant. Now we're going inside. bottom, you can see the black thing under the cube.
ใส่หมดเลยปะ
You pour the milk first. Like it's melting and mixing, so I can enjoy it. Is it ready?
Yes.
So let's take it. Try it. I have to say that the espresso is very strong, but it's not that big. When it melts with the textures of the milk, it becomes more smooth. But it's still, I can still feel the strongness of the coffee. Now we got our food. This is chicken cordon bleu. I have to say that this one is my favorite. And we also ordered some Thai food, which look nice, right? It's very tender and crispy. You can see it's melting cheese. Wow. Yeah, it's really good to meet some old friends. Even though this Songkran, I didn't go for the splashing water or anything, but just to chill out on the holiday, meet the old friend. I think that's enough. That's a good holiday for me. It's worth enough. And that is another side of Songkran, which is most of you guys might have not experienced it. And I told it in my point of view, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys likes it, please hit the button like and subscribe us. Thanks.
โอ้มาว่ะไอ้เขาอีไม่กลัว